Hello everyone, Rob Wilkinson from Crowd With Us here, joined by our Head of Property, Brian Levin. Today we're going to be talking about Soham Road, which is a property that's currently live on our platform. This is a property or development of 4 detached houses in Ely, which is an area between Newmarket and Cambridge, by a very experienced developer who's been in the industry for around 40 years. And it's a project that we like. So Brian is appraising this deal. What do you like about this project, Brian?
Well, Rob, you already mentioned a couple of points over there, the number of units, the experience of the developer. A couple other things we like is the loan to value of the deal once, or the loan to GDV of the deal at the end of the development. It's just under 70%. And even though the return on cost and return on profit percentages are a little bit lower, the fact that the overall loan to GDV is sub 70% is very positive. What does that mean? It means that if there's a slight downturn in the value of the properties or the costs go up a bit more, there's room, or what we use, the term we use is buffer, to absorb those, and the investors will still get their money back. So that's one of the main points we like. The experience of the developer is very important, because in the current climate, you want to be comfortable that the person building the property can indeed build it, but more importantly, build it on time and on budget. And the fact that Russell's been doing this for 40 years and around 15 to 20 years in the area gives us comfort that he'll be able to do that. The other element from the exit point of view, which is fundamentally important, is that Russell will be able to, or should be able to, should I say, sell the property, the properties within the time frame, because he knows the local market well. He knows the type of products out there that his houses will be competing against. So overall, those are the points I really like. Obviously, we've gone into a lot more detail looking at the costs, because we've had a quantity surveyor look at it. We've had a valuation done. So we've looked at all the details of that, and the conclusion really is that it's a deal that looks good. With all property deals, there is risk, but I think the risks on this one are reasonable, and we've done as much work as possible to make sure that they've been mitigated appropriately. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Brian. So if you'd like to know more about this project, you can visit www.crowdwithus.london and register an account.